Hi folks, are you tired of being unhealthy? Get. So guys, are you unhealthy? You want to get physically fitness like me? Then what you gotta do is step up your game. And what you're gonna do is drop and give me 20! Let's do it! Everyone on your knees. Alright, drop and give me 20, boys. Here we go. Wait. Well, we got a couple. Now wipe your eyes. Wipe your nose. And start over. We can start with jumping jacks instead. Get some room. Make yourself some room in your tiny shithole. And this is what you do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make it funky. Do a dance. 7, 8, 9. Take a break if you have to. Next, wipe the tears off your face from such a disgraceful life. We're gonna start over, folks, and turn your life upside down, inside out. And the best way to do that is to exercise. Now we're gonna try another routine, and this one's gonna work out just fine. I hope you're ready. Get out your pesos and put down your pens and jump out of bed and let's start again. Let's do it. One of the easiest ways to gain that muscle mass, if you want to get big muscles like the master man here, what you gotta do, grab something heavy. It could be anything just in your vicinity. I got this heavy ass robot. Sorry mister, I need you to lift weights. Now let's go. Mamacita! Mamacita! I'm putting you down in a second, just hold on! Alright guys, I know you're pretty worn out by now on this part of the exercise routine, but what I suggest, grab a piece of furniture, anything heavy that you can lift, such as this chair we got right here for ourselves. We're gonna go ahead and lift it up over our heads. Are you ready? 1! Shit! Oh. Cut! Now if you're as hungry as I am after a humongous workout like that one, what you're gonna want to do is chug some water, boys. Clean water. Oh yeah. Oh, it's time for a nap. Once you're all done with that routine, time out, take a nap, dream about a better reality, and when you wake up, you'll be fit as a king like I am. Good night, world. We did a good workout tonight. Clap it up. And there you have it, folks. A brand new exercise routine. You've had your nap, you've done your workout, everything's working out great. You're building massive muscle tones. You got something going on in your life that's working out. Positivity always exchanges for great feelings. So, take these to your bank. Shit! Or just go for a walk, that'll save you.